Today is an incredibly exciting day because we are now just 17 days away from the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2 Nintendo Direct. Time has been flying, and every day, we've been keeping the countdown alive with updates, leaks, rumors, patents, and the occasional official news from Nintendo. What was expected to be a long and quiet wait has turned out to be anything but slow, and certainly not calm. In fact, today is another thrilling day as we dive into a newly published and updated Nintendo patent that could be a game-changer for the Switch 2's handheld mode. While this may not be entirely new information for some, it certainly reinforces what many of us have suspected, and in some cases, what we already know about the Nintendo Switch 2's capabilities. This patent could provide significant confirmation about a key feature related to the handheld experience of the console. Of course, until Nintendo officially announces these details, we can only speculate. However, the signs are clear, and the potential implications are fascinating. And before we get into the details, let's not forget something just as exciting. We're giving away a Nintendo Switch 2. That's right, one lucky winner will get their hands on the console absolutely free. To enter, simply follow the link in the description or check out the pinned comment. And here's the best part. We'll also be giving away a second Switch 2 closer to launch during a special live stream event. The winner will be chosen at the end of the stream, but you must be present to claim it. If the first winner isn't there, we'll keep drawing until someone who is live gets the prize. So, stay tuned for that because it's going to be an epic event. Now, back to the excitement surrounding the Nintendo Switch 2 itself. Let's break this down into two key parts. First, the sheer anticipation and excitement building up to the reveal. And second, one particular game that I can't believe we might finally see in just 17 days. While it hasn't been officially announced yet, everything points to this game being showcased at the event. But before we get into that, let's dive into the patent, because it's something every Nintendo fan should be paying attention to. Now, let's talk about this newly updated patent and why it's so important for the Nintendo Switch 2. As we know, patents don't always guarantee that a feature will make it into a final product, but they do give us insight into what Nintendo has been working on behind the scenes. This latest patent revolves around the handheld mode and seems to address a major issue that handheld gamers have been dealing with for years: screen refresh rates and display smoothness. The document outlines a method Nintendo has developed to dynamically adjust the refresh rate of the screen depending on what's happening in the game. In simple terms, this means the Switch 2 could have a display that intelligently adapts to different frame rates, ensuring smoother performance and better battery life. If a game runs at 60 FPS, the screen refreshes at 60 Hz. But if a game drops to 30 FPS, the system could adjust accordingly to reduce stutter and improve efficiency. This is a huge deal, especially for a handheld system where balancing performance and battery life is crucial. This technology could also indicate that Nintendo is considering a display that supports a higher refresh rate, perhaps 120 Hz. While this might sound like a dream scenario, there's a strong possibility that Nintendo is at least exploring this option, even if it's not guaranteed for the final version of the Switch 2. If true, this could mean a major leap forward for handheld gaming, making motion look smoother and games feel more responsive. But that's not all. This patent also suggests improvements to the touchscreen, with more precise and responsive touch input. We all know that the current Nintendo Switch's touchscreen is functional but not exactly groundbreaking. If Nintendo is refining this aspect, it could mean better integration for touchscreen-based games, menus, and possibly even more interactive gameplay mechanics. This all ties into what we've been hearing about the Switch 2's upgraded hardware. Previous leaks have hinted at a more powerful chipset, possibly utilizing Nvidia's latest DLSS technology for upscaling graphics. When you combine that with a more advanced display, the potential for this new system is incredibly exciting.